Ever wonder what a day at the shop is really like?
Yeah, I'd say it's time for that to get replaced.
It's two and then hold, right?
Press and release, then press and hold.
Oh,
So are you resetting it?
I think so.
And we're adding a CarPlay Android Auto interface.
Random wire. You need a special thing to release adhesive? Nope. It just popped right out.
That's cool. Credit card reader.
So that's the little start-stop battery.
Little thing determines if you're having a good day or not.
First job of the day, thought it was going to be a straightforward smart start upgrade from a 3G to a 4G, but then we find out that the client actually has 3 different remotes. This is a system that we did not install. It was installed by a big box store. We're going to take it apart, see what's actually installed, and at the same time, she'd let us know that her battery's been dying. Before we can even begin this job, we have to address the battery situation. First step, John is going to remove the old battery that is not holding a charge, clean up all of this corrosion, get a fresh battery installed. Then we can begin doing the actual scheduled work. With the fresh battery installed, we move on to trying to program some of these fobs. Typically when entering into programming mode, we would hear the horn honk. I am seeing the LED light flash, so I'm assuming we're in programming and whoever installed this just didn't bother to wire it up.
They didn't hook up horn, it's flashing. I think you're on the wrong screen. You want to try it?
Sure.
Holding it?
You know, hold it right there.
Yeah, I don't think it's compatible. It would have made a sound. It just failed.
It's two and then hold, right?
Press and release, then press and hold.
Oh,
Did you do it wrong?
yeah.
Okay.
I did press twice and hold for some reason.
All right, let's go. I'm
I
still on
can
the
still do
screen. Yeah. Yeah.
To program most Viper remotes, we turn the ignition on, press and release the programming button, and then press and hold. While still holding, we press the lock button on the fob.
Yeah, I don't think this one's compatible with whatever she has.
Really? Why wouldn't it be?
Because they have different antennas for different functions. I don't know what her brain is. Oh, you got it!
That's because I'm not a negative Nancy.
With the fob situation sorted out, it's time to move on to installing the Smart Start.
Yeah, they don't.
After disassembling the dash and getting access to the old 3G Viper Smart Start, we were able to determine that the brain of the remote starter was a DS4, one of Viper's digital systems.
There it is. It's not even under the dash. It's
Ah,
just-
it's in the kick.
yeah. I don't know how good it was doing, but. Hey, nice job.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Nice, decent job.
You never know what you're going to get with big box stores.
Never. No connection there. Ground, the gray one there. Ground, the gray one there. So if we're using this one or this one, we ground.
TV3.
What is
digital.
this?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. We're grounding the gray wire.
Okay.
There's 2 loose wires,
Okay.
a white and a gray. And usually you have to ground the gray one, depending on the system you install. We got lights.
With a new 4G module installed, it's time to pull the car out of the garage so it has a clear view of the sky. Then we can go online and activate it on DirectX. Next up is this 2020 Jeep Wrangler, which you may recognize from one of our previous videos. Not long after we completed the full system audio upgrade using the PAC AP4CH41R2, Charles came back to upgrade the head unit to the Alpine X409-WRA-JL. Recently, he had an issue where the head unit failed to power up. After a quick check and reset on the Maestro module, we got it going. However, we asked him to come back and have a new Maestro module installed just to be on the safe side. At the same time, we advised replacing the auxiliary battery. Having recently replaced our own in our 2019 and having similar mileage, we thought the glitch might possibly be related to voltage. We just wanted to cover our bases. Plus, when that battery failed for us, it failed out of nowhere. At one point after jump-starting our Jeep, John forgot to turn off the automatic start-stop function, and the car died again at the next light. Luckily for us, John had our Duracell jumper pack in the car. But either way, it was a major inconvenience, and we didn't want the same thing to happen to Charles.
No, I don't think so.
It's all the same size?
I think so. There might be a couple of 8mm in here.
Okay.
I don't remember. Hot too.
So what did you say those are?
These are 7.
Okay. So that whole fuse box has to come out?
This whole thing. But to do that, you have to separate it here. Like that. There's 4 of them. Some people take this whole thing off. They break the clips.
Yeah.
The inner liner out, and then you can drop the second battery down. I don't like that.
And when your battery went,
Yeah.
it just went
It just go out of the blue.
at a stoplight when the start-stop was engaged.
Well, no.
What happened?
It died when I tried to leave here. It didn't start. I just jumped it, and then I took off. But because the battery died, it
reset
defaulted
the-
into ESS, you know, and it died at a light, and I couldn't start it.
But you had that little Duralast jumper thing with you?
I did bring the jumper with me. I was able to get out of there. So
So now that that is
This,
removed, you just
you need-
put it aside?
a bungee or something just to
Okay.
tie it away
Here's the bungee.
without bending any pins. So go over there.
On this?
Sure. Perfect. All right, so now we got to get this box out. I think those are 10s as well.
Another box?
Well, this whole box has to
Oh,
come out because the
gotcha.
battery is under here.
Okay.
This one. 2 10s and a 7.
You want me to get it? I got little fingers.
You get there.
Oh.
We got magnets. All right, so this comes out. Looks like 1, 2.
They're 2
2 more.
10 millimeter?
Yep.
Okay.
Now this whole section comes out. All right, so I need a panel popper.
Those are just those little plastic.
Yeah, we have tons of these if we ever break them. Inspection. me a fight. That's doable. I don't know what they were thinking. I mean, they put the smaller battery in the hardest to reach location. And when this one goes, the car doesn't start.
Oh, I think I see it.
See it?
I see it.
Here's the nut we lost.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So that's the little start-stop
That
battery.
little thing determines if you're having a good day or not. Looks like a 10.
So 2 10s.
Mm-hmm. Well, these 3 I didn't have to take out. Check your strength. You want to test it? Pretty sure it was on its way out. 12.5. 51%. It says replace.
He was lucky.
This is truck. Look at that. Good. 81%.
Nice.
Nice call. Right?
Very smart.
You're lucky. Yeah, nothing holds this down.
It's just a tight cavity.
Yeah, it's just a nice small cavity.
So it just drops right in there.
Drops right in there. Perfect fit. Can you tighten it like this? See the indents? This is where the clips clip in.
Oh, okay.
So you can line them up right. And then when you finally line it up, you put that down, and then these hold it in. That's right, 2 10s and a 7 on this. Now we put these back in. This you gotta be careful with. There's a lot of, see all the little pins?
Yep.
Right? You don't want to bend any of them. They all gotta line up. Everything's gotta work. So, flat. Wiggle. But these have to be tightened because these connect to those connectors and they pull it up to the circuit board. So kind of do it like this.
A little bit at a time. So it's evenly.
They're all separate, but
Yeah.
it's not a bad idea. That's it. Let's vacuum that out a little bit. Those are the ones I didn't have to take out. Not long enough. See the problems we have to deal with?
Yeah. Done?
I think so. Start it up and see if it works. The stereo's been great, you guys.
Since you reset the Maestro.
Okay, we got heated seats. Fan. Auto start. Gotta reset the radio.
Backup camera. Probably have to reset that.
It works.
Music up.
After a quick check through all the audio settings, it was time to pull the Jeep out and move on to the next job.
Berry's 98Q. There are immunity boosters, like if you...
Now they looks like they cut random wire. Uh-oh. What the hell's that, an alarm?
Yeah, that's gotta go.
Why does that gotta go?
I don't know if I want to leave it in there.
What is it for?
I don't know. Oh wow, they really f***ed it up.